The electron microscope products of Coxem are mainly divided into two types. First, the product you see here is the Coxem tabletop electron microscope that's convenient when dealing with limited installation space or for those operators who don't need to observe samples at high magnification. The LED bar in front shows the level of the vacuum inside the chamber. The electron microscope can be operated by turning on the electron gun when this LED bar is fully lit. The small button under the LED bar can be used to turn on or off the vacuum. However, as this is an emergency button, it is recommended to control the vacuum via software. The power button is on the right side of the bottom of the microscope. Remember to always make sure that the microscope is in vacuum state before you turn it off. Above the power button is an aperture that can be manually adjusted. Perforated with micron scale holes, the aperture can be used to directly adjust the size of the electron beam, helping an operator find optimal conditions for the observation of each specimen. The instructions on how to adjust the aperture will be provided in detail in another video clip. On the back side of the product, there are various signal lines such as a power cord and pumping hose. Let's disassemble the cover of the electron gun at the top. This part is the electron gun, and an operator can easily replace the tungsten filament by opening this part when needed. Now, let's open the chamber in vent mode with the vacuum turned off to take a look at what the specimen stage looks like. The stage of this tabletop SEM moves along motorized X, Y, and T axes. You can adjust the height of the Z axis manually as needed after checking its maximum height using the ruler that comes with the product. The second type of product is the floor standing type electron microscope of Coxem. It has a greater maximum magnification than the tabletop model and allows analysis of a bigger specimen. As in the tabletop model, the electron gun is located at the top of the electron microscope. The shape of the electron gun and its replacement method is the same as that of the tabletop model. Let's open the chamber and take a look at the stage. This product is equipped with 5 motorized axes, the fully automatic X, Y, R, T, and Z axis systems. This product also offers an auto-stitching function that scans different parts of the specimen surface continuously and stitches them together automatically, enabling the analysis of a large surface area. For more detailed specifications of the products, please refer to the company website below.